Tissues are made from trees, but what do you think happens to the trees to make it into a tissue? Why? Why do we have sandals?
Usually expensive sandals is lost in the mosquito.
Yeah, that's a very good answer.
It have a good quality, so I can use it for a long time.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, well done. Yeah, maybe we need one pair of good quality sandals for every.
Suatu kegiatan yang ada dalam
Do you think tissues have some kind of environmental impact? What could be some problems from using a lot of tissues? Any ideas? Tissue, what is tissue made from? Trees, yeah, from trees. That's right. Anyone else, what is tissue made from?
terbuat dari
From trees, yeah, that's right. Okay. Tissues are made from trees, but what do you think happens to the trees to make it into a tissue? How do you get tissues from trees?
Cara nih, using alat, using teknologi.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, you definitely use technology. So it's ground down, made into pulp. Yeah, and then flattened out and dried. It's a long process. Right? You need technology. Do you need energy to do the process? Electric, maybe, or power, some kind of power. And the color. What color is tissue? White. How is it gonna be white? How does it get to be white color? Did you say what? Warna, yeah, bleach. Yeah, it's bleach to make it white. So, do you think from becoming a tree to becoming a tissue, is that process gonna be good for the environment or not so good for the environment?
Not good.
Not so good, right? Yeah. So, even we don't think about using tissue every day, right? We use tissue every day when we're eating.
Yes.
But actually, even just this small choice has some sort of impact on the environment, right? Every time we buy tissues, we have to produce more tissues. We have to grow more trees. We have to make the trees into tissues. We have to use power and bleach and land and water. So it all has some kind of impact on the environment, right? Is there any alternative to using tissues? What could you use instead of a tissue?
You can use paper. Dry. Same. Paper.
You can use what?
Use apa? Tempat tidak sekali pakai itu apa bahasa Inggris?
tempat tidak sekali pakai.
Stainless steel.
That's right. You can use a material, and if you use a cloth, like a lap or something, then you can use it again and again and again. You can wash it, use it again. So we can say that using a cloth is much more sustainable than using tissues. Okay, if we spill some coffee and we have to use one whole pack of tissues to clean it up, instead we could just use one cloth. And we can use the cloth again and again and again. Yeah. Okay, so now, that's good, you all get the idea, right? So now I'm going to give you some different examples. We're going to move on from the tissues, although if you look, some people only got a couple of tissues. Who got a lot of tissues? 7 tissues?
7 tissues.
Yeah. take, it has an impact on the world. So if we only need one, we should just take one. Yeah, not take a lot. So we can be more sustainable, more environmentally better. Yeah. Okay. All right. So I'm going to ask you some different questions on this topic, and if you agree with the first option, you can run to this side of this building, of the room. And if you agree with the second option, go to that side. Okay? And I'm going to ask you why you picked that thing. Okay? The questions are on the laptop, so you guys stay there. Okay. Okay, are you ready? Which is better for the environment? Option 1, to buy one good quality pair of sandals over this side. Or option 2, to buy cheap sandals 3 times in 1 year. This side. Okay, one good quality pair of sandals or 3 pairs of cheap sandals. Sandals. Okay, good.
Yes.
One pair, good ones, 3 pairs of cheap ones. Okay, everyone thinks it's better to buy one pair of good quality. Hey, you want to go this way? Go. You go that side if you want. Yeah, be brave. Okay, why is it better to buy one pair of good quality sandals? Anyone? Why did you pick this? Yeah? Yeah? There's no wrong answer. Okay. Do you think it's better for the environment? Like using a tissue or a cloth? If we use a cloth, it's a bit better for the environment. Maybe. If we buy one pair of sandals, maybe it's more expensive. Maybe the production is a bit longer. The material is stronger. Or, so that's this side. But it lasts a long time. Maybe we can use it for 5 years. Yeah? If we buy sandals from Indomac, what's the brand? Swallow sandals. Maybe we use them for 2 months and they're already broken, right? They get broken quickly, and then we have to buy them again and again and again. So we use a lot more resources in buying sandals. Yeah? You understand? Why did you choose one pair of sandals? You choose 3 sandals everywhere. Yeah, great. Why 3 pairs of sandals?
Usually expensive sandals is lost in the mosque.
Yeah, that's a very good answer. In Indonesia, that's true. You mean the cheap sandals, the version of mosque? Yeah. That's a good answer. What about the rest of you? Why did you pick one sandal?
I cannot speak English.
Because it has good quality, so I can use it for a long time.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, well done. Yeah, maybe we need one pair of good quality sandals for everyday use and one pair of cheap sandals for the mosque, so we don't use our sandals. Yeah, okay, good. Next. Okay, you can come back to the middle. Okay, the next one is, which is better for the environment? Is it better to buy imported fruit from the supermarket or buy some local fruit from your neighbor? Okay, imported fruit from the supermarket or local fruit from your neighbor? Okay, you all picked buying local fruit from your neighbor. Yeah? Why did you pick this? Look at this, cheaper. Do you like it? Yeah? Why not local fruit instead of supermarket? Do you like local products?
It's more healthy.
Okay. Why did you pick the local product?
I love local food.
Okay, but why is it better for the environment? What is better about a local product rather than a supermarket product?
I don't know the process behind when the seller took the fruits in the supermarket, then the
We don't know the process. Yeah, the process might be a lot longer, right? From, for example, if we buy apples in the supermarket, sometimes they come from New Zealand. Yeah. So they come all the way from the farmer in New Zealand into packaging, into boxes, and then on the ship, and then across the sea, and then they get into Indonesia. The process is very long, right? So that whole process takes a lot of energy, transporting the fruit all the way across from there to here. It's a long journey and it takes a lot of energy. If we buy it from our neighbor, like you said, it's local, we can just pick it from the tree and eat it straight away, right? It's more fresh, more tasty, yeah. And yeah, I think it's better for the environment to do this. Local is good. Okay, well done. Okay, next one. Okay, next one is about drinking a bottle of water. Is it better to bring your own tumbler, your own water bottle, or buy a bottle of water? Own water bottle or buy a bottle of water? Yeah, okay, so why is it better to bring your own tumbler? Why is it better?
because more healthy.
What's more healthy though? If it's just water. What's more healthy? What's better about a tumbler than buying a bottle of water?
Because tumbler it can be used twice, third, or something.
Yeah, we can reuse it, right? We can use it again and again and again. Any other ideas?
Can use again and again.
I think it's same.
Okay, yeah, that's right. You can use it again and again and again. So it's better to use the tumbler. The only problem is when you get a lot of tumblers in your house. Because they give you them everywhere now, yeah. But yeah, it's still better to use a tumbler than buy a bottle of water. Good, well done. Okay, if you want to go to the shop, if you're going to the local shop, is it better to walk or to use your motorbike? Walk or use your motorbike? Yeah, enjoy walking, that's right. Why take
because we don't know about the shop, it's far away from our house or not, and walking is take a long time to go to the shop, and I think it's simple to do it. Like
it's simple, yeah. But is it better for the environment? If we think about from the environment perspective,
it's for environment, I think it's good.
okay, better, yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I think that's right. Walking is better for the environment and it keeps us healthy and we can enjoy it. Yeah, I love going for a walk. But it's quite hot for walking in Indonesia, so I understand why you go on a motorbike.
Thank you.
But even better is a bicycle. Yeah, if you flew on a bicycle, then that's healthy and no pollution and quicker. So, yeah. Okay, good job. All right, here's one more. Okay, is it, if you want to buy breakfast in the morning, you want to buy it from the bubur ayam down the road, is it better to take your own Tupperware box over the side or to get the plastic bag in a plastic bag from the Tupperware or plastic bag?
Tupperware or plastic bag?
I use the stuff.
Okay, we will say Tupperware. How many of you take a Tupperware to the warung? You do? Yeah, take it from home, take it there, ask them to put the food inside it, and take it home. Have you ever done that before? Have you done it before?
Yes.
Have you ever done it before?
In where?
And so I not porridge.
Oh, okay. It could be anything, not just porridge. And so mine, yeah.
And the salad give me more the combination.
It gives you more of it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, maybe that's something you can all try because it's better. Why is it better for the environment? Yeah. So we don't use so much plastic. It's better for the environment. Yeah. Okay. So next time when you want to buy some food, take your Tupperware box to the shop and ask them to fill it. Maybe they give you some extra. Okay. Okay. Last one. Okay. Last one. Where should you put your organic rubbish? Organic rubbish is like the skin from vegetables or the leftover fruit, you know, the seeds of fruit or something like that. Where should you put it? In the bin over here or in the compost? In the bin or in the compost? Okay, why is it good to compost? What's good about composting? Do you know why is it good to compost instead of putting it in the bin? What happens? Yeah. Yeah, it can become fertilizer, yeah, if you compost it. Yeah, that's good. What happens to the organic waste when we put it in the compost. It gets eaten by worms, it can degrade in the air, right?
Yes.
Becomes into fertilizer. If we put it into the rubbish bin with all the plastic, it can't do that, and it just becomes moldy and very dirty and horrible and smelly. So it's better to compost. Yeah, good. Okay, well done everyone. Okay, maybe now we will move on to, I'm going to share a bit of information about myself and my, you can sit down. Yeah, okay, no problem.